got a 2020 Nissan Rogue with a 25-inch crease going through the passenger front fender. Just moving the board back and forth to show you so you can see the crease all the way through. And this is after about 15 minutes. Did my first pass through. Looks pretty good looking from the top down at it. And then you see the cross check. Little choppy still. Alright, and then this is after a little bit more cleanup of the cross check. Still a little choppy, but much better. And here's our final result. This is 100% raw, no sanding, no buffing, no nothing. This is just full repair. Clean as it can be. Most dent guys will show you their before and after, either pictures or videos, but they won't run the camera back and forth and up and down and side to side and show you all the different views, because that's where you'll catch all the defects. Here's the top view looking down.